How to activate Best Buy credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Best Buy credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for City Retail Services. After you search for that, you can simply find the official site of City Retail Services, which will allow you to log in or apply for Best Buy credit card. Simply tap on this Best Buy credit card. After that, from the section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Get Started. And from the section, you'll have to just enter your card details like your card number, your name that will appear on your card, security code, last four digit or your SSN or CVV code. After you enter it, tap on verify. After the verification will complete like with your email or any code, you'll be able to activate or sign into your Best Buy credit card. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.